BizStackPro. How to make a capture page. I've made one earlier and I'm going to teach you how to do it. So I'm going to make a new website and we're going to call it capture page test YouTube. Whoops. We're going to add a new page. I'm going to put Optin. And then create new page. Now the one I'm going to show you how to make is this one. The form is going to be on a different video because that's a whole new training on its own. So I've just done a basic one there, but I'll show you how to redo that to the best of your ability so it looks better. Where we've got this section done first. Now we want to do, we're going to copy and paste this actually because it's quick. So we're going to create from blank. And we want a section in. And then an element. We want the headline. No, we don't. We want the column first. Then we want the headline. Works like guys. I'm just learning this myself. Then you go like that. Let's do the background color. Let me find the background color. Let's just go like that first. I just love these. Oh, here's the colour. The background here. And we want it blue. No, we don't. We want to highlight that. Make that blue. But we want to make that background white. And why doesn't this work? I remember why doesn't it work. That's why it didn't work. If you get the orange bit and click blue or yellow, I like that colour. We're sticking with blue. If you want the whole thing, the column, then oops, the column is blue. Then if you want to change that one, look, we want it white. Cool. Now the next bit we want to do is a picture and then some words. So we're going to go back over here and get a picture which is in the elements. So we drag and drop it inside the same section. Then you click on the image, scroll down, and that's where you get your image. And I've just done, that's the picture I want. Bada bing, bada boom. No, it's not. It's sorry. No, it's not. We want that one there. Sorry, that one there. Let's see if we can change it. It's better. Okay, now let's do the height as 250. Let's try 150. It's better. So the height, you can either do the width, or the height. Now we want to add some more words. So we'll add a subheading in. So we'll go back to the subheadline and we'll put it there. And we'll go here. And we'll go here. It's very easy when it's copy and paste, guys. Okay. Let's just... That's better. Right. What's next? We need a new section with two columns. So we'll add a new section. Section at the bottom. Now we're going to add 2 rows. 2 rows. 2 columns, sorry. 2 columns. Good. Then we want the photo of me, which is an image, which is here. I'm getting a bit quick at this now. Then you click that one there, which here's one I made earlier. And we'll resize it in a minute. So we need to add some text in there. And I think we added a paragraph, which is at the top. Paragraph. Boing. Now, for ease and quickness, we go like this. And if we want them bigger, let's have a look. We have to do the font size here, look. And it's quite easy just to do that. Oops, that's too big. So you can probably go up to 28. That's probably a bit big. Let's try 24. Try that. Okay. Now, let's cheat and just copy and paste the next bit into here. We want to control. There you go. Now, you see all this? That's centered. If you go over here, it's just one click. Clever. Now, that taught me absolutely hours to learn, and I can do it in 5 minutes. Right, so I want that. So it's a bit like drag and drop. And I make that green to match that. So that's looking good at the moment. So for the last bit, but you'll have to go to my next video, which I haven't done yet, how to build a form. And I've just done a basic one, and I just thought, I haven't changed the sizes yet. But anyway, this is how you do it. You add another section, which, let me think, it's going to be one of these. See if it goes there. And we want the column. I've chosen this one here because I'm going to stick it in the middle then. And what I did is add the element And then the form should come up. Where is it? Lost it. There's the form. The one the one I made just is that one. But obviously it's the wrong size. That's how you do it, guys. I will do the sizing of this form in the next video. If you want BizStackPro with me, there's 200 quid off. Sorry, $200 off at the moment. Launch price, I think it's only for 4 weeks. So come and join Team Awesome. See you on the inside. The link is in the description.